the wind, and now this.
Covered a bunch of tickets. Hello.
Slide, they come in ones and twosels, but if they some choosels, before your eyes you'll see that one to buy. God, boy, strong and heavy, so happy, be ready, because they come in every shape and size. If honey's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they guzzle up the things you prize.
What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Hooray.
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pooh!
These are all for you, Pooh Bear.
Look at all Pooh's presents!
If you don't like my present, I'll take it back.
Jimmy just loves giving presents.
Wasn't that fun?
I'm sure you'll find mine.
Welcome back to the